Welcome to my second seminar, Wrinkles in Fabric. Before I begin, I have a question for you guys. How many of you already know your fabrics from clothing well? A few of you guys. People who raise your hand actually consider about the fabric when purchasing clothing. During this seminar, you will learn why it is important to know the characteristics of fabric, such as the wrinkleability of fabric. Okay, question. What causes wrinkles in apparel? This will also be the question on the worksheet. The first will be pressure. Deep wrinkles in fabric or creases are most often a result of day-to-day wear. Pressure from sitting or wearing for extended periods of time will cause holes in the fabric to form creases in garments. The second one will be heat and water. As for the science of wrinkles, I will not go into further details as I have given this information for my previous seminar. Third one will be radiation. Some wrinkles result not from the fabric but from the garment itself. Ready-to-wear clothes are fit to a standard size and shape. A few people have standard shaped bodies. These wrinkles, which are not permanent creases, can result from fit issues. Persistent wrinkles around the underarms of shirts and blouses or in the seat of crotch or pants are a sign of poorly fitted garment. A skilled tailor can assess the cause of these wrinkles and can usually alter a garment to suit a particular body type. For construction, some wrinkles simply indicate that the garment is poorly constructed. Sagging in the seams is often a sign of hasty or improper sewing techniques. Some fabrics, like particularly delicate fabrics like silk, require underlying or seam stabilization. Fifth, type of fabric. The two fabrics that I will focus on today will be cotton and polyester. Okay, can anyone make a guess what this is?
Cotton.
Okay, that's right. In 2011, the top organic cotton producer is in India. And cotton is an all-natural fiber made from the pod of a cotton plant, and it is the principal fiber used in the marketing of the world's clothing. For the second question on the worksheet, what are cottons known for? The answer will be light, cool, comfortable, and absorbent. Many people describe cotton as a fabric that breathes. It is also easy to dye and to clean. Even though dyes are all natural fibers do not coat as fast as the synthetic fibers of polyester. Cotton can be withstand high temperatures but does wrinkle easily and shrinks with washing. The next fiber I will be talking about is polyester. Polyester is a man-made polymer material, and it is made from coal, air, water, and petroleum products. Polyester is a strong fiber that keeps its shape and resisting wrinkling. The fiber does not withstand medium to high temperature, which melts and burns at the same time. So make sure when you ironing polyester must be done at a cool temperature if at all. Polyester does not shrink like its natural counterpart and holds dye extremely well. A good thing for a textile artist, a bag for stain removal from polyester items. The third fabric I've chosen was popular and found in apparel. types of polyester cotton blend. First, fabrics made of a polyester cotton blend is exactly what they sound like, made from fibers of both the natural cotton and synthetic polyester. While both fibers have pros and cons, the blend is often used in garments to give the consumer the benefits of both. It retains the fullness and lightness of the cotton fiber, but also adds strength, durability, and wrinkle resistance of polyester. Second, polyester cotton blend is mostly used in the garment industry to make clothing that people want to be able to wash and wear without giving to iron. And it will be tougher than 100% cotton blend and withstand more washing. People refer to polyester cotton blends as it wrinkles and shrinks less. Next, we will do the experiment of recomposing fabric together. Here's the fabrics that will use in the experiment. There are 3 pieces of fabrics in the Ziploc. I want you guys to take them out. The first fabric is made from 100% of cotton. And the second fabric is made from 100% of polyester. And the third fabric is made from 50% of cotton and 50% of polyester. Let's start the experiment. First, I want you guys to soak 3 pieces of fabrics into water for 10 to 50 seconds. Are you guys done? Okay, the second step will twist each of fabrics and squeeze the water out as much as possible. And then place the fabric on the paper towel. The other 2 fabrics are using the same procedures. Okay, place the fabrics on the paper towel. And step 4, use another paper towel and lay over on the fabrics and pat them lightly. After the experiment, you can see the cotton is more likely to wrinkle than the polyester and the blend fabric. And the polyester fabric is least prone to wrinkle. For the third question, compare with the polyester cotton blend, which fabric is more breathable? The answer would be cotton. Because blend fabrics doesn't breathe or stay as cool as pure cotton, so many people prefer pure cotton to a polyester blend cotton clothing. For the closing statement, now that you know the reasons why clothes wrinkle and characteristics of cotton and polyester, you will be able to get the most out of your apparel by finding the fabric that best suits you. Remember that all fabrics have their pros and cons. Therefore, make sure you know what you're looking for in a fabric.